Hello friends, my name is Dr. Muralidhar Rajagopalan. I am a dermatologist and I have been practicing here in Chennai for the last 30 odd years. I am very happy to be part of the international liaison team for the proposed Dermacon 2023, which will be a Dermacon International. Chennai has a lot to offer for dermatologists in all specialities and subspecialties. And historically, Chennai has been one of the pathbreakers in dermatology in India. One of the oldest medical colleges in India is situated in Chennai, and that is the Madras Medical College. And in the south, we also have JIPMER, which is one of the oldest colleges in India itself, which was set up by the French way back in the 19th century. We have a very rich tradition of academics in this state. Many innovations have occurred from the city of Chennai and from Chennaiites and people from Tamil Nadu. Dermatology is no exception to that. You're all very familiar and acquainted with the advances in dermatology that have been made in Chennai and in the Madras Medical College in the past. Whereas earlier there was a very big emphasis on clinical dermatology and mycology and tropical infectious diseases, for which Chennai became very famous all over this part of the world. Today, the emphasis still remains clinical dermatology, advanced dermatologic therapeutics, and we are one of the leaders in the country in aesthetic dermatology and dermatosurgery. So, as time passed, we have grown, and our brethren has grown, and dermatology is a very highly sought after field in Chennai and Tamil Nadu. In a conference like Dermacon International, we are very confident that with the profile of our dermatologists and the connections and interactions with people in the other parts of the world, we will be able to contribute significantly to your academic appetite. Whether it is clinical dermatology, whether it is immunology, whether it is blistering diseases, or whether it is acne, or aesthetic dermatology, or dermatosurgery, or the use of technology in dermatology, especially lasers and newer innovations in dermatology, we are sure to get you the best faculty for a good meeting. So we welcome you, and I personally welcome you for an international meet which will be truly supported by the hospitable nature of people from Tamil Nadu. And we are very happy if this comes through, and we will start working on getting a good team together to give you the best of a conference in all ways possible. Thank you.